Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove the Weebly branding from your domain. Before we start, it's important to be reminded that before you can remove the Weebly branding or do any type of editing or customization to it, you first need to subscribe to a Weebly paid plan. With that in mind, let's get started. First, go to weebly.com and log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on the edit site at the far right of your screen. Once you've paid a plan, you now have the option to edit your footer, and that includes removing your branding. Lastly, once you're done removing what needs to be removed or customize what you want to customize, click on Publish at the top right corner to save your changes. And that is how you can remove your Weebly branding from your domain. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.